Hi, hello friends, welcome to Indian Tech Guru for you. So in this video, let us see how to create a resource group using the bash shell of Cloud Shell in Microsoft Azure. So first of all, go to the portal.azure.com. It will ask you for your credentials. Just select the user ID password for which your Azure portal is activated. I am selecting my user ID as Indian Tech Guru for you @gmail.com because my Azure account is linked with this particular account. Once we successfully logged into the Azure portal, then to work with the bash shell, you have to click on the Cloud Shell icon. In the home page, you will find the Cloud Shell icon. Okay, here it is. This is the Cloud Shell icon. Just click on the Cloud Shell icon. Then a new window will be created, which is going to show you the bash shell command prompt window. Okay, we got the bash shell command prompt window. So to actually create a resource group, the command in bash shell is az group. Just open another browser window and then search for az group create command. Az group create command for the syntax for which using which we can create a resource group. So it will open Microsoft Docs. Here you can see az group Microsoft Docs. So click on the first link. Here you can see the various commands for creating resource groups using az group create command. So az group create command is going to create a new resource group, and then there is a command for deleting the resource group and several functions, and there will be syntax as well as examples also. Here you can see the example for creating a resource group az group create -l. -l represents the location, so where we are going to create this particular resource group, West US, and then -n represents name of the resource group. So here the name has been taken as my resource group. So just copy this command, then open the Cloud Shell window, then right click and then click on paste. So now I will change some parameters. Instead of West US, I want to take West India, and then instead of my resource group, I want to take it as Dayakar RG. That's it. So like this we can actually, we need not to remember the commands for bash shell. Just go through the Microsoft Docs, you will have the syntaxes, just copy there and change accordingly. So one more thing is, before actually the Cloud Shell is running, you may need a storage account. If at all you have not created a storage account, you have to first create the storage account, then you can use the Cloud Shell. Just now click on enter. So we have successfully created the resource group Dayakar rg. Now let us verify whether it is created or not. Just go to the resource groups, click on resource groups, in the portal. Now you can see that a resource group has been successfully created using the bash shell of Cloud Shell known as Dayakar RG. Here you can see that. So just click on the resource group. It will show you the number of entities that are creating along with the resource group. Along with the resource group, several different entities will be created. So for this group there are no deployments at all. Only the resource group has been created successfully. So you can now create any number of resources under this resource group and utilize the resources. Hope you understand the logic how to create a resource group using the bash shell of Cloud Shell. That's all for now.